students how to use ChatGPT. You can teach the do's and the don'ts for using ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create activities for your classroom. Whether you are an ELA, math, science, social studies, world language, physical education, or STEM teacher, K through 12, ChatGPT can save you some time by doing the work for you. Teachers are always trying to save time. You can use ChatGPT to create emails and other communications in advance. Think about it. Open house, parent-teacher conferences, positive emails that you know you will use throughout the year. ChatGPT can have those emails ready to go. ChatGPT is not perfect or mistake-free, but it can give you advice. It can help you with your IEP, SMART goals, or 504 plans. Our students are constantly changing. Ask ChatGPT for common slang, current events, or trends.